Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove a tweet from the X application, formerly known as Twitter, using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for X. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to twitter.com. That now points to x.com. We can use a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Click on X, which will take us to x.com. And now let's make sure that we are signed into the account. Let's go to profile. Let's now scroll through our tweets. As you can see, we have posted many a time on our account. Let's now post another. For this tutorial, let's just say this is a test tweet on X. Hashtag Computer Science Videos. Let's click on post. As you can see, this tweet has now been posted. So if we want to, let's just say, remove a tweet from our account, how would we do that? If we go to, let's just say, we can either click on this tweet. That will open up the tweet in a new section of the application through the web itself. Let's now go to the top right corner where it says more. Click on this, and then we can delete the tweet, which then brings up a prompt on screen to delete post. This can't be undone and will be removed from your profile, the timeline of any accounts that follow you, and from search results. That's okay. Let's go to delete. This now takes us back to our profile, and the tweet that was posted has been officially removed from the account on X. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.